Marsrock just gifted me their paint markers, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how capable these markers are. Now, paint markers are great because they are permanent markers that you can use on pretty much any surface or almost all surfaces. And with that, they are definitely something to supervise if you have young kids. And I honestly supervise with my teen kids as well because of the permanent nature of these pens. But I really love paint pens, and I am looking forward to putting these to the test. Now, first thing to point out is that they do come fully wrapped in plastic, so they don't dry out before you get them. I really love that, as that is one of the main issues with paint pens, is that over time these definitely will dry out. Let me show you these close up. So here these are close up. They are 2 to 3 millimeter medium markers. They say they have a strong covering power, so I'll see how they do with that, and that you should be able to write pretty well. And of course, like I said, you can write on just about anything. So we're gonna try a few different materials here. I'm not going to open up all of them because each one takes some effort. You do need to shake them really well. You need to release that air, and then you're gonna have to hold it down to get the ink flowing. So I'm just gonna do about half of them. These ones I took the plastic off already, and these ones, as you can see, are still fully sealed. I'm gonna shake them, and then I just need to take off the tips. And as you can see, these tips all should be the same color right now because the paint has not made it to the tips. And I just decided to try the black, the white, a yellow, a pink, and I wanted to try the metallics. And so now I just need to hold these down for a moment to make sure that the air is released. And this is just so the paint can actually get down to the tips when I push them down. And then the larger moment is to hold them all down and push them on the paper until they start leaving marks. And right now that paint should be working down those nibs, down to the tips. This is always an interesting moment because you need to push hard enough that the tips are pushed up into the paint, but you don't want to push so hard you're actually damaging those tips. So it's mostly just being patient. I think I have them all. Oh, not this one yet. So I'll hold this one down for a minute. But as you can see now, the tips are all colored. So let's just try these real quick. Ooh. As I paint on my table. I'll get that off before it causes any damage. And so now I can just color with these. Nice and clean. They do have a bit of a smell. These are oil-based, like I said, but they do still smell kind of like paint thinner. Pretty strong, but not as strong as some paint pens I've tested. Paint pens in general are smelly. So there is the silver. If for any reason it's not painting as cleanly as you want, just hold that tip down more and then it should go more clean. That's nice. Now let's go with some black. Looks good. Now let me just go ahead and color out the rest of these real quick. Nice bright pink, loving the yellow. We also have a metallic gold. And then the other thing Marsrock promises is that these are really easy to color over each other as long as they're completely dry. So I did actually wait, and the silver and the black are completely dry now, so I should be able to write right over the top of those. And I would say that is writing over the top, but it is getting a little bit on the tip of the white, so that's something to be aware of. Not a perfect overage, but pretty quickly I can get the white back to just being white, so it doesn't stay on the white either. The white tip is back to normal. So that is really nice. It definitely goes over the top. I probably needed the black to dry just a little bit longer. Now, of course, I need to try these on a couple other surfaces as well. So here's just a piece of plastic, and I'm just gonna write on it with the black. Writes really cleanly, and yes, as soon as that dries, that will be pretty darn permanent. But I do want to point out that while this is a different brand, paint pens will not always be permanent on specific materials. Paper and plastic, they should be permanent on, but glass, not so much. So I actually want to fix this writing. That was from a paint pen I used, I think, about 18 months ago, as this has definitely become garbled. And while I could have made that cleaner if I wasn't writing over the old damaged text, that looks really good and is a very practical application of these pens. Overall, these are solid paint pens at a fantastic price. I think this will be great for whatever project you have in store, whether it's for you or for your kids. My kids have loved using paint pens for things like decorating rocks or school projects. They really come in handy. If you've been on the hunt for a paint pen set, I hope this video helped you make a decision.